Welcome to know about ClickFunnels review benefits. When asking yourself why you should use ClickFunnels over any other funnel building software, here are some primary benefits. 1. No distractions. When you search for a website online, there are always going to be distractions that prevent you from hitting that buy button. It could be a banner that pops up and directs your attention elsewhere. You could be sent to another page with a carefully placed hyperlink to a blog or third-party website. As a business owner, this makes it difficult for you to retain the interest of visitors long enough to secure a sale. ClickFunnels is different. Your viewers are presented with one landing page, one option and one opportunity to take action. People either make a purchase, or they leave. This marketing technique is effective for businesses looking to make an impact. If you are looking for a simple solution to online marketing, ClickFunnels is for you. 2. Makes you money. We understand that a marketing tool is only as good as the money it makes you. In other words, does ClickFunnels offer a return on investment? The short answer? Absolutely. Aside from the outstanding testimonials from people who have used ClickFunnels to quadruple their income, the logistics make sense. The idea of using anything else daunting to me. I would have had to have membership software, landing pages, order forms and still figure out how to tie them all together. I'll never have to go through that again because of ClickFunnels. Liz Benny. ClickFunnels saves you the hassle of having to pay out for an entire team of web developers, designers, copywriters and sales managers. That's more dollar in the bank to invest in marketing your business. The monthly cost of ClickFunnels is $97 for the starter pack. It may seem like a cost that your business can do without. But when you compare it to the alternative, it's a no-brainer. The cost of hiring an internal member of staff to manage your marketing is expensive. We've not even touched on the resources needed: laptops, books, training, food, coffee and time. You can do all the above using ClickFunnels. It's pretty easy to pick up, it'll probably take you a couple of hours, max. And that's without the hassle of hiring new people. ClickFunnels will walk you through the process to ensure you have a landing page that not only looks great but converts like crazy. 3. Ease of use. There are quite a few features to note here. It's super simple to create pages in ClickFunnels, without any past experience in design and development. ClickFunnels was created with a complete novice marketer in mind, and they have pulled it off really well. On entering the site, there are many options on the table. The great thing about ClickFunnels is the templates available to you. The funnels all have fancy names, too: the hero, lead magnet, squeeze, etc. Not sure which is best for your business? Not a problem. Having access to pre-made templates makes it easy. You are advised on the best funnels for you depending on your goals and the desired outcome. ClickFunnels review on funnel types. Once inside the funnel builder, you'll see a page similar to the one below. You can see there's already a pre-made template waiting for you, which you can edit to meet the needs of your campaign. These templates are tested and proven to deliver a high conversion rate. There's no need to spend hours agonizing over the final product. It's done for you. That's one job complete before you even get started. ClickFunnels review of the squeeze page. Pages in ClickFunnels are set up using rows, columns and elements. You can use your mouse to drag and drop them anywhere on the page, making your funnel entirely customizable. Unlike other editors out there, everything is organized logically, so you're not spending hours finding where everything is located. The important thing to remember is that no coding is required. You don't need to spend time swatting up on CSS and HTML or any other techie things like that. Instead, simply drag and drop your elements into place. 4. Nice selection of page elements. Elements, or widgets, are essential as they give you the flexibility to design a page exactly as you want. In ClickFunnels, there is no shortage of elements to give your page the edge it needs to stand out online. Basic elements include headline, text, video, input forms and buttons. These are the most popular elements used to design all kinds of websites. ClickFunnels also gives you access to some more advanced page elements. SMS sign-ups, FAQ blocks, Facebook comments, retargeting, countdown timers. Each element can be easily customized using the sidebar in the editor. With most elements, you can change the colors, fonts, margins and alignment. Then there are options to optimize your content with image, alt text and file names. 05. Amazing affiliate program. It wouldn't be a ClickFunnels review without a mention of their affiliate program. There is no doubt in our mind that Clickfunnels has the best affiliate program you can be a part of. And before you ask, we are proud Clickfunnels affiliates. The Clickfunnels affiliate program pays a 40% recurring commission for every referral you secure through promoting either the .com secrets, funnel scripts or expert secrets books. And thanks to the Clickfunnels sticky cookie, you can even make money on any upsells your promotion generates. So, let's say someone clicks through to sign up to the starter package. If they leave having purchased the full package, that commission lands in your back pocket. But that's not all. Clickfunnels also has a great feature for affiliates called Share Funnels. Inside the Settings tab, you are given the option to share your funnels. These are the ones you have built using the Clickfunnels software. When someone visits this URL, they will be able to your funnel to their account by way of a simple click. If they aren't a member yet, they can sign up to a 14-day free trial of Clickfunnels and the same rules apply. Clickfunnels review of an affiliate program. What's really amazing is that your funnel URL works as an affiliate link and you will get a commission if a user continues using Clickfunnels after downloading your funnel template. How you can make Clickfunnels work for you. First of all, you will need to have a clear vision of what you are looking to achieve using Clickfunnels. What is your end goal? How will Clickfunnels help me get there? Start with this in mind, and build out your funnel from there. You need to put yourself in the shoes of your audience. For any business, you don't want to come across as pushy. Inquire about our marketing services now, go on, do it. Your audience may not even be considering paying an external company to manage their marketing. You need to gain their trust. Give them some real value, before swooping in with a sales pitch. We'd recommend starting with a lead magnet or a low-cost tripwire product that is going to draw customers into your funnel. And then, come up with appropriate upsells, sales pages and one-time offers (OTO) to enhance your product offering. If you are confused at where to start, why not take a look at Russell's multi-million-dollar funnels? His published book, Expert Secrets, explains exactly how he created funnels to help tell his stories and sell his products. Clickfunnels versus the competition. There are a couple of rival funnel marketing tools that all promise the same level of excellence. Among the most popular are Lead Pages and Samcart. However, can they really be considered a Clickfunnels alternative? We doubt it. Clickfunnels versus Lead Pages. Today Lead Pages is up there with one of the most respected landing page builders. It's recently added the functionality to buy through landing pages, using a checkout widget. Lead Pages is a little late to the party, though, as Clickfunnels was designed with a comprehensive checkout process from the get-go. Clickfunnels review compared with Lead Pages. Each platform features an impressive range of templates that allow you to design a landing page to your exact specifications. The simple drag-and-drop editors make it easy to create pages without the need of a developer. And they both include email responders to ensure you remain in contact with your visitors long after they leave your landing page. However, in our opinion, Clickfunnels goes the extra mile to ensure your funnels are strategically designed. Along with email responders, you'll find endless opt-in, sales page and limited offer templates. The resources on offer show you how to set up these pages to improve your conversion rate, a feature Lead Pages is yet to adopt. Clickfunnels versus Samcart. Samcart promises to deliver stunning, high-converting checkout pages. The focus is on a quick sale. It supports both Stripe and PayPal, and it comes with 17 different templates to choose from. As you can tell already, it has a lot in common with Clickfunnels. However, that's where the similarities end. In terms of flexibility, Samcart has nothing on the Clickfunnels editor. Samcart only allows for basic customization and edits, whereas Clickfunnels has endless resources that help you make advanced changes. Samcart is lacking is the ability to lead people through the entire funnel process. You are left to your own devices. Not equipped to build funnels? Be prepared to research the best methods for yourself. They both come in at the same starting price of $97 with various upsells along the way, and we find Clickfunnels to be far more powerful and intuitive than Samcart. To conclude our Clickfunnels review. Basically, if you are in the business to make money online, then you need a funnel. Some people will gloss over this Clickfunnels review and leave without even checking out the software. That's okay, some people are naive. But just don't let that be you. We urge you to put Clickfunnels to the test yourself with the 14-day trial. It gives you access to everything mentioned in this Clickfunnels review. The editor, templates and tutorials are all available. Get more information? Click the link below this video. Thanks for watching full video.